This AI-generated video takes a deep dive into market analysis of food tech and novel foods. Let's get started. The food tech sector, specifically within novel foods, demonstrates a robust investment growth with a 19.94% funding CAGR over the past 5 years. However, we observe a slowdown in the recent year with a funding CAGR of just 1.02%, highlighting some short-term challenges. Over the past 3 years, the sector has shown a more healthy funding CAGR of 4.95%, indicating positive growth trends over that time frame. The market penetration score stands at 1.86, which is above the median score for the overall market, suggesting a relatively high level of engagement within this sector. Of the 325 startups in this field, 279 have secured funding, yet only 2 have gone public with IPOs, while 25 have been acquired, showing that the sector is nearing maturity, particularly marked by the number of acquisitions. Focusing on notable startups, Impossible Foods has raised a total of $2 billion, with significant partnerships including Starbucks and Burger King. Their approach to developing plant-based meat alternatives continues to position them at the forefront of the industry. Another interesting player, Perfect Day, has obtained $768 million for its innovative use of precise fermentation technologies, producing animal-free dairy proteins and partnering with major brands like Nestle. The Every company has drawn attention by securing $309 million in funding, specialized in providing animal-free egg white proteins using precision fermentation. On the seafood front, companies like Inaccuracies Foods, which has raised $611 million, focus on cultivating chicken with USDA and FDA approval, while Wildtype, having raised $123 million, is dedicated to developing cultivated salmon for sustainable seafood options. Current technology trends highlight a strong shift towards sustainability, reinforced by reports such as Advances in Food Tech, which notes continuing investments in alternative proteins despite a general downturn in food tech investments since 2022. There is also a growing emphasis on AI applications in ingredient discovery, suggesting a future where technology plays a crucial role in food production and formulation. In terms of existing players, Beyond Meat remains a key figure, recognized for their popular Beyond Burger and sausage products, having achieved substantial market penetration through various retail partnerships. Meanwhile, Cargill, a multinational powerhouse, is pushing innovation through alternative protein investments and AI-driven solutions, showing a commitment to sustainable food production. The political landscape affecting these markets includes increasing regulatory acceptance of alternative proteins worldwide, with the FDA and USDA in the US, easing guidelines that allow for faster commercialization of novel foods. Social shifts demonstrate an evolving consumer interest towards healthier and more sustainable food options, which plays a significant role in the demand for plant-based and cultivated foods. In conclusion, stakeholders looking to make informed decisions within the food tech sector should consider the promising long-term growth potential highlighted by the substantial funding trends, coupled with the expanding market of innovative players addressing sustainability. Strategic investments, partnerships, and potential acquisitions might yield advantageous outcomes as this sector continues to evolve and capture consumer interest.